CrankWheel versus Google Meet. Which one works faster? Let's dive into a comparison between these two popular tools and figure out which one delivers the speed and performance you need. Stick with me until the end, because we're going to uncover some key details about their performance that might just surprise you. Plus, there's an exclusive deal waiting for you at the end of the video, so don't miss out. First off, when it comes to speed, CrankWheel and Google Meet are designed for different purposes. Google Meet is a robust video conferencing platform that lets you host large meetings with features like screen sharing and real-time collaboration. However, this can sometimes impact its speed. The more features you use, the more resources it demands, which can slow down your experience, especially with larger meetings or a slower internet connection. Next thing, let's talk about CrankWheel. Unlike Google Meet, CrankWheel is designed specifically for one-on-one interactions. It allows you to instantly share your screen with a potential client or customer with no sign-ups required. This quick and simple sharing process leads to faster connections and less delay when compared to Google Meet's slightly more complex setup. If you're just looking to get straight to the point with a single person, CrankWheel takes the lead in speed here. The fourth thing, Google Meet's focus on a smooth and consistent experience with multiple participants can sometimes come at the cost of speed. When you add more people to a call, it can result in a lag, especially on lower bandwidth connections. If you've ever been in a Google Meet call with a few people and noticed the occasional hiccup in video or audio, you know what I'm talking about. CrankWheel, on the other hand, is more lightweight. It's not trying to handle multiple participants at once, and this allows it to work more efficiently for quick, one-on-one sessions. If you're looking for a fast, no-fuss way to connect and share your screen, CrankWheel really shines. Now, let's dive into the setup time. Google Meet requires a bit more effort to get started. You have to create a meeting link, send it out to participants, and make sure everyone is connected. This is fine for larger calls, but it can be an unnecessary hassle for quick calls. With CrankWheel, you don't have to schedule anything. Just send a link, and you're instantly sharing your screen, which is a huge time saver for quick interactions. One final thing to consider: reliability. Both Google Meet and CrankWheel are generally reliable, but CrankWheel's simplicity means there's less that can go wrong. No signups, no complicated settings, just you, the person you're sharing with, and a fast connection. So, which one works faster? For one-on-one calls where speed is critical, CrankWheel is the clear winner. It's designed for fast, no-hassle screen sharing, whereas Google Meet might take a little longer, especially when dealing with larger meetings. Before we wrap up, remember, both tools are great, but CrankWheel gives you that speed edge when you need it the most. And here's the exciting part. If you're interested, you can try CrankWheel for free by clicking the first link below. You'll even get an extended free trial with exclusive bonuses, only available for our viewers. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out that link for your special offer.